Honestly, I never imagined myself as a scientist. When I started university, I needed an internship. I went to this fish lab, and they have possibility to do an internship there with research. And I started there, and I didn't stop. It was fascinating creating hypotheses, testing it, analyzing the data, and then publishing it. I am Taina Rocha de Almeida. I came to Poland to work on fish biology. I work in fish reproduction, and I'm looking for non-genetic maternal inheritance in rainbow trout. Actually, I have a graduation in veterinary, and in my group nobody was working with fish. And actually, I needed to do an internship for my previous formation, the high school. I did some kind of agricultural work or course, and they asked me to do an internship at the end. So as I was already at the university, I went for this fish lab, where they have some places for an internship, and I started working with fish in there, and I started with research from my first year of university, and I didn't stop. Fish are fascinating because they are very prolific, and I'm interested in reproduction, so it's great for me. Working with the fish lasted for 1 year, and now I'm analyzing the samples I collected from them. So in this part, extracting RNA, testing them. I already have all the libraries from the transcriptome, and now I'm checking specific genes. Are interest for me for some reason, others because they were important for some challenge that we applied to this fish. I'm checking how they behave in the offspring and how it relates with the mother, so it's quite the key part of the project as well. This is what I'm interested in, how these genes are playing, how are they passed through the egg from the mother to the offspring, and what impact it will have in the offspring's life. So it's there. You mean the eggs, the gametes, the small? Yeah, they're great. They're small kids. It is. Fundamental work is it's the base. You cannot, well, if you think on a house, you cannot build anything on the top of sand. You have to have good bases. You have to know what you're doing, what you're putting in there. This is why fundamental research it's important. It is a profession as any other, that you have to work really hard, that you have to have ideas, solve problems. A person coming to me and asking if it should join a research group or not. First thing is that, do you have ideas? What would you like to work with? PASIFIC program gives the opportunity the young scientists to have an overview of the project. Normally how it goes is that when you're a PhD, you are doing the work from someone else's idea, working on someone else's idea. But in the PASIFIC project, I'm participating in everything. So I was from writing the project, having the idea, discussing what's possible, what's not possible, how we're gonna do it, what do we need for that, so in terms of budget and the timeline and everything. This is quite important experience for someone wanting a career in science. I wanted to come to Poland because, well, before I started my PhD, I wanted to improve my English, so I wanted to travel, and I was looking for some volunteer internship. There was Poland and there was Slovakia, and I was taking pictures from Poland, and it was so beautiful. From that moment I knew that I wanted to come. My first year was experiment, so I couldn't go anywhere. But then I went to Krakow. It's a beautiful city. Poznan, Gdańsk, which is also really nice. Warsaw, and here. I enjoy traveling a lot, tasting food. Polish food is good. I do like pierogi. Kopiczka. I really like kopiczka.